Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. So today I share with you how to make this beautiful trending latest beaded necklace. See how beautiful and gorgeous it is. So if you want to see how I make this, please do well to watch to the end. And I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning viewers. May God bless you. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos. So let's dive into today's tutorial without wasting much of our time. Please subscribe, turn on the post notification bell for more video. So let's get started. Materials needed: 11-hole seed bead, 6-hole seed bead, 2 layers hook, some crystal beads, stoppers, beaded flower, your working needle, 0.30 fireline, 0.60 fireline, and your pliers. So let's get started. Please do well to give this video a thumb up, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. Thank you. Cut your fire line and insert it into your working needle. Cut reasonable amount of fire line, okay, the one you can comfortably work with. All right. So now pick 160, 11O, 60, 11O, 60, 11O, 60, 11O, 60, 11O. Just like so. We have 5 of the 60 and 5 11O. Just like so. Then pull it down. After pulling it down, pass your needle through the whole of the beads and pull. Knot it. So after knotting, pass your needle through the next 6O like so and pull it. This is what you have. Now pick 1 11O, 6O, 11O, just like so. So whatever you pick is what you are going to skip. I hope that is clear. Now we have 1 11O, 1 6O, and 1 11O. Now this is our working line, as you can see, coming out from 6O. Now we have 1 11O, 6O, 11O. Now we are going to skip the same 11O, 6O, 11O. Then we work our needle through the next 6O. Just like so. Now as you can see, what we pick here is what we skip. Okay? Whatever we pick is what we are going to skip. I hope that is clear. Now pull it. So after pulling it, this is what you have. Now pick 1 11O, 6O, 11O. Remember, whatever we pick is what we are going to skip. Now we have 11O, 6O, 11O. And this is our working line. Now we are going to skip 11O, 6O, 11O. Then we pass our needle through the next 6O. Like so. And pull. After pulling, place your work at the top of it. Make sure it is on it. So guys, this is what we have, okay? Pick 1 11O, 6O, 11O. All right. Now this is our working line. you skip the 11-0, 6-0, 11-0 and pass your needle through the 6-0, just like so, and pull it. So this is just the simple process, very, very simple. Okay, pull it. Pick one 11-0, 6-0, 11-0. Skip 11-0, 6-0, 11-0 and pass your needle through the 6-0 and pull it. Repeat the same process. Pick one 11-0, 6-0, 11-0. This is your working line, okay? Then I will skip one 11-0, 6-0, 11-0 and pass my needle through the 6-0. So this is just the simple process, all right? And pull it. Pick one 11-0, 6-0, 11-0. Skip one 11-0, 6-0, 11-0, then pass your needle through the 6-0, okay? And pull it. Repeat the same process. Skip whatever you pick. This is your working line. Skip the gold one, orange one, gold one, then pass your needle through the orange one, which is the 6-0, like so, and pull. So as you continue beading, this is how it is going to look like, as you can see. So as you continue to bead, it will continue to get longer and longer, and this is how it should look like. Okay, so continue this process. Pick one 11-0, 6-0, 11-0. Skip one 11-0, 6-0, 11-0 and pass your needle through the 6-0, just like so. Very simple, just a single process. So continue this process until you get to your desired length. Okay, and let's meet together. So guys, I've beaded to this length, as you can see. So this is how beautiful it is. Okay, so now let's measure. So this is 32 inches. All right, now let's close it. So you're going to work your needle through the beads. All right, work it through it 3 to 4 times. Okay. So guys, please do remember to give this video a thumb up. Okay. So after working your needle through the beads, then you knot it. Then after you knot, secure your fire line by working it through some beads, then you cut it, okay? So guys, this is what we have. So we need 2 of it, okay? We need 2 of this for the design. So guys, thank you all for watching, and this is where we'll be ending the part 1 of this tutorial. Remain blessed until we meet at the concluding part of this tutorial. Bye bye.